The following is an instructional video of how to prepare and install a residential and commercial 5/8, 3/4, or 1-inch water meter within the City of Austin. We first begin by removing the lockable lid from the city-approved water meter box. Using the applicable meter size, verify that the temporary spacer installed is the correct length. Once verified, we can continue disassembly prior to install. Start disassembly by loosening the angle stop fitting from the reducing bushing, then remove the bushing from the spacer. Lastly, remove spacer from the meter nipple fitting. Begin the meter install by first installing the plumber-provided no-lead reducing bushing onto the city side of the water meter and tighten. You must ensure that a new washer is installed between the bushing and the water meter. Next, install new washer into the City of Austin angle stop fitting, then connect water meter to reducing bushing onto the angle stop and lightly tighten. Next, install new washer into the meter nipple fitting and connect to water meter and lightly tighten. Using the appropriate wrenches, complete final tightening of the angle stop fitting as well as the meter nipple fitting. This install is now complete.